Hello everyone, long time no see. How have you been? What is your goal for this year? Maybe becoming a dance player? You will surely achieve your goals by watching my videos. In this video, we will study trick move. If you have liver, try this trick move. If this is successful, you will be able to get a good start in the opening. Let's start. Where did this shape come from? I will show you. So from diagonal opening here. And then now usually we play attach here to take a corner. You know, that's very popular. But white play there to play this move. Normally we play there and this and extend and extend. It's kind of boring joseki. But white prepared this move. Honey and of course black cut and then atari. So now you shouldn't give ponuki, I mean this one, because there is cutting point again. So you need to extend. You should. So after that, now, if you're white, which move do you want to play? A, B, C. So let's check first A. So if you play A here, no, that's not good. That's not trick move. Please don't do that because black can play just atari and then cut and make outside so nice. So this is really good for black. So this one, A is not good idea. Here the trick move is, or trick moves are B and C. So B is actually the strongest move. Yeah. And C, we can think ever. So first we will check the B. So if you play like that, your opponent think, of course, A or B, cut or just block. So A is easy way like this and this and this and whatever like this or like that. How do you like? Do you like black or white? Actually, it was an old joseki. But in these days, according to AI, corner is so big. So it's good for white. White is happy with this. So now, black need to cut there, not there. Yeah, if you punish a white trick move, yeah, actually that was the trick move, reasonable trick move. Because the trick move is not so bad. You can play. So if you, for example, play just A, then white is happy. So we have to fight with cut. And that's normal. And there are two possibilities. Either just capture or push. So actually that's easier. And then white block sente and jump. The corner is no problem now. Black can move like this and then attack white's 3 stones. So there is big fighting. So according to AI, something like this. Something so difficult fighting. Both can play. Or instead of this move, you can push and capture, but this move is sente. Yeah, for example, we can say, you play somewhere, then there is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, for example, we can say like this. That's shortage of liberties. You cannot block. Yeah, that's why I think just capture is easier. And then like this and like that. So here, for example, you can play there, and if you answer whatever like this and white can jump and then something like that. So white is quite active. So for black, just capture and fight. Okay, like this, and attack. And here, so we talk about the B. So if white play B, don't play A, cut and capture. That's good enough. How about C? Actually, that's much more harder for both. Difficult fighting. So here we can think about three possibilities. Cut, block, or fighting with C. C is the strongest move and the best move. How about A? So we normally play or think about the move A first. And then Atari. So if you just capture like this, then white can capture with that. So you don't want to give two stone, then you can push, which is center, and then Atari, and push again. White cannot play there because of this move, so white needs to extend, and then you should come back to corner. And push is the vital point. Black needs to escape and keep going like this. And white upper side is weak. You need to answer, and black can take here to cut. I mean, there is bad odds like this. Yeah, ABC. So that's why white needs to answer like this, and then like this. So this is playable for both actually. How would you like? Yeah, how would you like? Big fighting. So here you can cut and fight, but there is better move. So I told you C is the best, but we will check at first the B. Here, block. If you just block, no, it's even better for white. Yeah, white stone has here, not even there, so it's bigger. At the corner is bigger, and even black extend. The push is really nice. So that's too weak. Yeah, don't just block. So here, there are interesting move. Here, pushing. What does it mean? Maybe you want to know that. Young Sun, can I capture 3 stone? Yeah, but there is a ladder. The ladder is good for white, right? So in this case, you can push first. Ask. So if white answer like this, then you can capture because the pushing helped you. There's no ladder, no net, so black can capture the 4 stones. Yeah. So if black push, white cannot answer like this because you will lose the 3 stone in the corner. So the best way is just capture and then make influence like this, and then play left to side or lower side, doesn't matter, something or something. I know you want to play somewhere like this, but AI doesn't like this kind of move, yeah. But we can play as an amateur player, why not? So that's also nice influence, but according to AI, that's good for white because the corner is big. So you know AI can reduce the influence easily, but we don't. So if you like as a black, you can try like this. I mean here push. And if your opponent make mistake, you can kill the corner easily. You can play first Atari and kill. So yeah, white needs to play there. There, and then like this. Be careful. If white just jump, there is cutting point. Can you see the cutting point? Like this. Bye-bye. So it's important. White push once and then jump. Yeah, and then black can play left to side. But here, the C is the best or serious move, but most difficult move. So we'll see. See, that means, oh, I don't want to give this 3 stone and I will attack you. So, yep, white can connect like that. Here, black cannot block again because the ladder. So here, instead of that, black can play there. That's nice move. What does it mean? For example, if you play there, then black can play Atari first and Atari and block. So black has 4 liberties and white has 3. So black takes the corner. Okay, directly killing is not good. How about then block this side? Then black plays Atari and block. Then there is a semi-eye capturing lace. Who is winning? If you play just like this, it's shortage of liberties for both sides, right? So both sides here, A and B. Okay, that's too easy for black. No. Then you can throw in. Yeah, throw in is a good idea to reduce liberties. And then you can make a call, but even white win the call. There is a call, right? Win the call. The corner, white lower corner is too big, and black shape is also stable enough. So this is quite good for black. Black is satisfied. So making a call in the beginning, not good. So actually this shape, yeah, is good for black. If black plays, if white plays there, like this, like that, good for black. So for white, the best or strongest answer is this move. Okay, let's fight. The corner semi-eye. Then you play Atari and Atari. So if you just connect, then black can block. Yeah. So be careful. So that's a maybe nice move. The meaning of this move is if you cut and here Atari and push. So A and B are in danger. If you play there, that's net. That's ladder. If you play somewhere, yeah, the 2 stones are dead because it's sent there. You can block like this. So you cannot cut. Black needs to come out and you connect. Because in this case, here you can connect now. Yeah, and so that's why this exchange was not bad. Here. And here, black can extend, which is center. Normally, white needs to answer. If you just connect, there is strong attacking move like this. Be careful. So, normally white answer, black cuts and then push and block. So actually the semi is good for black, but white can attach here. We will check this move. Here. There's nothing white can do. So you need to play there and then black connects and there is this kind of fighting. I don't like push on the second line. But for example, the semi-eye, white can win like this and this, but the influence is really nice. So around 70% good for black. Even the corner, black sacrifice. And one thing I want to show you here, if white plays there, you can push. Don't cut, you will lose. So you can push. Then there is nothing. Here you can connect, or if white plays here, you can cut. So white cannot capture, black's 4 stones. So that's a long story. But what I want to say, you can, as white, try this uh, Hane and Atari. And so here strongest move here, and then you can fight as a white like this. Or if you want to move, maybe because it's the most difficult move, but if black plays correctly, who knows, correctly like this, then the result is good for black. But yeah, maybe no one knows, who knows. So that was about the trick move. So if you have a chance, maybe you can try here. Attach, if black, attach Hane and Atari, B or C. Okay? Alright. So I hope you liked this video, and I want to make a video regularly. Maybe twice a month. So please send me a nice message to motivate to make video. You can help me. Thank you for watching my lecture, and hope to see you next time. And don't forget subscribe and likes. See you next time.